Hello, guys. Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle. The fourth and last puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Tuesday. Yes, still Tuesday, January the 9th, 2024. Already solved three puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 stars Sudoku and the binary. So one puzzle is left. Should be the Jigsaw Sudoku. Jigsaw Sudoku number 7770. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. 12 printed digits. Well, the hard ones has 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. Could be a hard one, could be an easy one. But it's indicated with 4 stars. And for 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. Already 1 minute passed. And the first question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always 1. Here single box, there single box, always a 1. Next question, do we have here dual boxes? Contains the 1 and 2. No dual boxes in this puzzle. How about triple boxes? I see here only one triple box. Contains the 1 and 2 and 3. Well, those numbers could be everywhere. Insufficient information right now. But when you see a triple box, remember the box near the middle box, the inside box is always 4 or a5. 4 or a5, well, we have a 4 in the same area, so it can be 4 anymore. This box should be a 5 then. Alright, more here we have a no. This is a quadra box. Next question, do we have here quadra boxes? Here we have a quadra box. There we have a quadra box. This one, the numbers could be everywhere. I need more information here. How about this quadra box? These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be 1. So 1 box left on 1 in this quadra box should be there. And the other numbers could be everywhere. Yeah. Alright, then my next strategy is to look for shapes, for figures, structures, or constructions. For example, this shape. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember, this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. And this one is the same shape, but mirrored. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 5 here. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Yeah, here another one. Rotated. This box has the same number as that box. And here another one. This box has the same number as that box. Alright, and now the following shape. How about this shape then? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. This case is a 2 here. Alright. Here another one. This box has the same number as that box. Alright. Then the following shape. How about the T shape? Let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. That box has the same number as this box. Alright. The T shape. Only one T shape. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. You have, in this case, it's a 2 here. Here another one, but upside down. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1 here. Alright. Do we have more? No. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Next number 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 4 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step. It's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. Alright. Let me see. How about these 2 boxes can be a 1, so 1 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround a 1 can be a 1, but also those 2 boxes can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here or there, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So the only place left for the 1 in this area should be here. These 2 boxes can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Then this box can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Alright. Let me think. Come on. These are 3 boxes. Surround the 1 can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. Let me mark those. 3 and 5, 3 and 5. Okay. Then. Yeah, I'm thinking. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3. Can be 4, can be 5. We have a 5 in the same area here. Alright, now. These 3 boxes. Surround the 1 can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3, 1 and 3. Alright. And now, let me think. This box, these 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be there, and this box is connected with that box. Should be so 1. I marked those 2 boxes earlier with 1. We have a 1 now, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1. So 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also 2. 1 box left in this area for number 4. Alright. These 2 boxes can be 4. That box can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Should be there. This box can be 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Should be there. And I've eliminated here the 2. So the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 1. Then these 2 boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be there. I marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 1. We have a 1 now, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1. 2 numbers left in this area from us 2 and the 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 3 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Should be there. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. That means that those 2 boxes can be a 3. We have a double 3 there, so the 3 could be here, could be there. Then let me think. 3 and the 4. Yeah. We go up. This box can be 3. That box can be 3. So 1 box level 3 in this T-shaped area should be there. These 2 boxes can be 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Two numbers left in this T-shaped area from us 4 and a 5. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5 is connected with that box, so 4 and a 5. This box can be 1, that box can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be there. And then, well, these two boxes can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. Ay. I'm stuck. Come on. These two boxes can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Well. Give me 4. Yeah. I'm thinking. Come on. Well, 4, 5. 1 and 3. Well, this box can be a 1. It's connected with that box. So, can be a 1. We have a 1 here. So, it can be 1. Can be 2. We have a 2 here. Should be a 3. Can be 4. Can be 5. Yeah, should be a 3. Is connected with that box. Should be also 3. 1 and 3. We have 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 1 goes there. This box can be 1. That box can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this area. 1 was 4 and 5. 4 and 5. Alright. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5, yes, definitely 4. 4 and a 5, we have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. 5 goes there. These two boxes can be 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5, yes, definitely 4. Then these two boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4, and this quarter box should be there, so 2 numbers left. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. Well, we have a double 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. This box should be 3. These two boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Should be there, and I've eliminated here the 5, so the 5 goes there. I've eliminated here the 2, so the 2 goes there. I think this box... Wait, no. Need to wait here. Well. This box can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Well, it's not a solution. Place the 2 there, because if this box is a 2, then this box is connected with that box, should be also 2, but we already have a 2 there. So not the solution, place the 2 there, so the only place left for the 2 should be here. 2 numbers left, the 3 and the 5. 3 and the 5 is connected with that box, should be so 3 and the 5. Here, this box can be 4. That box can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Should be there, is connected with that box, should be also 4. 1 box left in this T-shaped area for number 5. 3 to 5, we have a 5 there, no 5 there, 5 should be here, and 3 goes there. And 2 numbers left, the 3 to 5, we have a 3 there, no 3 there, 3 should be here, 5 goes there. Is connected with that box, should be so 3. 1 box left in this area for number 5. Alright, we go to this side. Well, Let me think. These two boxes can be 4. So the 4 goes together with the 3 as a pair. So the other pair in this area should be the numbers 2 and 5. Well, I cannot place the 2 there because we have a double 2 there. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those two boxes. So the 2 should be here and the 5 goes there. These two boxes can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 2 goes there. Then I marked those two boxes earlier with a 1. We have a 1 now, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1. Alright. 2 numbers left, the 3 and the 4. And here, the 2. Come on. This box can be a 1. That box can be 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Well, it's not the solution. Place the 1 there. If you place a 1 there, then this box is connected with that box. Should be also 1, but we already have a 1 here. Not the solution. Place the 1 there. The only place left the 1 should be here. Alright. Then let me think. Come on. 2, 3, 4. I think this box should be 2 because it can be 1. Should be a 2. Can be 3. We have a double 3 there. Can be 4. We have a double 4 there. And can be 5. Yes, definitely 2 is connected with that box. Should be also 2. 2 numbers left in this area. For numbers 3 and 4. We have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here. 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area. For numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4. Ah, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here. 4 goes there. 3 and 4. We have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here. 4 goes there. 3 and 4. We have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here. 4 goes there. Alright, I think this box should be 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely 5. I think this box should be 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 3. And the final 2 numbers, the 1 and the 2. We have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Finishes 17 minutes. Well, 4 stars. Nope. 3 stars, no. Let me give this a 2 stars. I'm not faster than 15 minutes, otherwise it will be a 1 star. And we solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and have a great and fantastic Tuesday. See you tomorrow. Until then, bye bye for now.